but not in that t-shirt. You've worn it twice this week. Whoa.
No. No.
Just watch.
All I'm gonna do is kill more and more, and it's all your fault.
Boo, girl, and you were all, hooray, hooray, we're getting out of here.
Modus.
No! No! Bonnie! Great work, Bonnie.
Admit you have a thing for him.
Excuse me?
I saw the way you looked at him that night you came over for dinner. You practically cut his food for him.
Oh, you know...
You redecorated.
When do we eat?
Why'd you get out of my face?
Mint, classic, and travel size. Bitch!
And
Shut up!
The camera is Emma's.
What the hell?
No! No!
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
1, 2, 3, and 4, 5.
I'm next.
That's it! That's good! Keep it loose!